Hey guys, welcome back. If you own an Audi A6 C6 and feel like the interior is starting to show its age, this upgrade might completely change the way your car feels. Today we're looking at this digital instrument cluster and Android multimedia system designed for the Audi A6 and A6L C6 models from 2005 to 2012. And honestly, the difference is incredible. The first thing you'll notice is the modern digital display. Instead of the older dashboard setup, you get a beautiful 1920 by 720 high-definition screen that brings your Audi much closer to the look and feel of newer luxury vehicles. But this isn't just a display upgrade. This system combines a digital instrument cluster with a full Android multimedia platform. That means you can install apps, use navigation, stream media, and customize your driving experience directly from the screen. One of the biggest highlights is the built-in Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. As soon as you get into the car, your phone can connect automatically, giving you access to maps, music, calls, messages, and voice assistance without cables. Another feature I really like is the split-screen mode. You can display navigation on one side while viewing another function on the other, making multitasking much easier while driving. This system also keeps many of the original vehicle functions intact. You can still use steering wheel controls, view vehicle information, monitor RPM and speed, access climate settings, and even connect backup cameras and TPMS systems. For music lovers, there's also a built-in DSP audio processor that improves sound quality and gives you a more immersive listening experience. Add Bluetooth 5.0, voice control, GPS navigation, and Android app support, and suddenly your 2005 to 2012 Audi feels much more like a modern luxury car.